Submitting documents to Robinhood for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your documents are submitted correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Robinhood account by entering your credentials on the Apple website. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with the documents you need to submit. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This can typically be found by tapping on your profile icon or selecting the Settings option from the menu. Step 3. Find Document Submission section. Look for the section related to account verification or document submission. This may be labeled as verification, documents, or something similar. Step 4. Upload required documents. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary documents. Ensure that the documents are clear and legible, and that they meet the specified requirements such as file type and size. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading your documents, review the information to ensure everything is correct. Submit your documents and check for a confirmation message indicating that your submission was successful. Once you have completed these steps, wait for Robinhood to review your documents. You will be notified via email or through the app regarding the status of your account approval.